What's he doing? Huh? You trying to get out of the chair? Huh? Is that what you're trying to do? Yeah, you think that's funny? Huh? You think that's funny? Yeah. You trying to escape? Huh? What's he doing? Oh, stretch and stretch and stretch. Oh. Oh my. What's he doing? Huh? What's he doing? Oh, stretch and stretch and stretch. Can you tell me about your day? Huh? No? You just want the camera. Huh? You just want the camera? Yeah? You can't have it. You can't have it. It's not for babies. Not for babies. Huh, silly girl? Oh, you think that's too fun. Huh? You think that's too fun. Oh, stretch it out. Doing little Audra exercises? Yeah? Doing little Audra exercises? Huh? Are you dancing? Yeah? What's he doing? Audra. Oh, oh, goodness. Oh, yeah. You tired? Huh? Are you tired, baby? Huh? Are you tired, baby? Huh? Oh, you getting mad? Yeah, a little bit. Oh. Oh. Yeah. Oh. What? Are you stuck? Yeah, are you stuck? What's he doing? Oh, let's get you unstuck. Oh, so mad.